Hello kitties, I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharatidasar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn a topic from Maths for UKG kitties. Shall we children? It's very good. What topic today we are going to learn? Let's see here. Today we are going to learn the numbers from 241 to 260, right? In the previous classes, we have learned the numbers from 201 to 240, right? So, following that, in this class, we are going to learn the numbers from 241 to 260, okay? We are going to divide these numbers into two series, okay? The first series is 241 to 250. The another series of numbers are 251 to 260. Let's listen. First see here children, what number is this? 241, 241. Now we are going to write the place value of the number, okay? First listen. What is the place value of this number children? In the place value? Yes, ones place value. And then what about the second digit children? Yes, it represents the tens place value and the third digit represents the hundreds place value, right? So listen to me carefully. In this series, the numbers from 241 to 249, we should not change the tens place and hundreds place values, okay children? We should only change the ones place value, okay children? Oh, so keep your mind and then listen to me. So what number is this? 241, 241. Okay, usually we write max numbers on the checked page, right children? So today also we are going to write the numbers in checked page. So take your checked notebook and then take your pencil, sharp it neatly. Okay children? First listen how to write 241. Listen. 2. Left open curve and then sleeping line, right? 2. How to write 4 dears? Listen. Slanting line, sleeping line. At the top of the slanting line, you should write a standing line, okay? 4 and then 1, slanting, standing. At the bottom of the standing line, you have to draw a sleeping line. So, we can get the number 1. Join together 2, 4, 1, 241, okay? Very good. What is the next number children? What is the next number? See here, 2, 4, 2, 242. What number is this? 242. Let's write the number 242 in the checked page, right children? It's very good. Listen here carefully and write neatly, okay? Again, 2, 4, 2, 242, right? Okay, the very next number to 242 is 243. Very good. See here. How to write 243? Let's listen, okay? First, 2. Left open curve, sleeping line, okay? How to write 4 children? Slanting, sleeping and then standing, okay? How to write 3? Yes, left open curve, again left open curve. Now we can get the number 243, right? Good. The next number is, see here Praveen, try to read this number dear. 2, 4, 4. Join together, how to read dear? Yes, 244. Very good Praveen. Clap your hands for Praveen everyone. Yes, good. Now we are going to write the number 244. Okay. Listen. 2, 4, again 4, 244. 244. Okay children, the next number is 245. What number is this? Yes, 245. Shall we write it? Listen, listen, listen everyone. 2, 4, 5. 245. How to write 5 dears? Standing line, left open curve, top of the standing line, one sleeping line. Okay. So 2, 4, 5, 245. Okay. Good. The next number is 2, 4, 6, 246. What number dears? 246. Very good. Let's write the number 246. Okay. See here. 2, 4, 6. Right open curve. Finish the curve with circle. Right. So 2, 4, 6, 246. Good dears. Anjali, now you tell me what number is this? Yes, 247. Very good Anjali. Now listen. We are going to write the number in the checked page now. Listen to me carefully. 2, 4, 7. How to write 7? Sleeping line, slanting line. So 2, 4, 7, 247. Good. The next number. See here. What number is this? 2, 4, 8, 248. What number dears? 248. Listen. 248. 248. 248. Okay. Good dears. The next number. See here. 249. How to read this number children? Yes, 249. Good. Shall we write it? எழுதலாமா செல்லோ நம்ம? கவனிங்க. 2, 4, 9. Circle and then standing line, right? 249, 249. Okay. Ma'am starting la enna சொன்ன செல்லோ? இந்த series of numbers la 241 ல இருந்து 249 வரைக்கும் 10s place value 100s place value மாத்த கூடாது சொன்னேன். ஆமா தானே செல்லும்? இப்போ 249 finished, right? So what will happen in the next number? Listen here. See here we have changed 10s place value as well as the 1s place value also, so that we can get the number 250, 250. What number is this? 250, 250. Very good. Let's write the number 250. 2, 5. Standing, left open curve, top of the standing line, you should draw a sleeping line, right? 5, 0, 250, 250. Right children? Very good. Now listen, this is the time for doing small activity, right? See here, write the missing numbers. What is it? Write the missing numbers. I have given some numbers here. Some numbers are missed in between that. Okay, you have to find that numbers and then I am going to write it on the board. Okay, see here. What is the first number here? 241, 241. Okay, next see here. What number is this? 243, 243. So, what will come here? Enna number chello varum? Yes, you are correct. 242. Very good. 243. What comes next? Yes, you are correct, Pooja. 244. Very good. The next number is 245, right? 246, They already given. So what is the next number? Yes, you are correct. 247. Following that, 248. The next number will be 249. They already given. So what is the final number in the series? The series the last number enna chalo? Yes, 250. 250, 250, right? Good. You all did this activity very well. So far we have learnt the numbers 241 to 250, right? So following that, we are going to learn the numbers 251 to 260, okay? Here also, till the number 259, we should not change the hundreds place and tens place values, okay? We have to change only the ones place value in ascending order, okay children? Till the number 259, okay va? 259 varikkum, okay chalo? Listen. So how to read this number dears? 251, 251, right? We learnt how to read that number. At the same time, we have to learn how to write that number also. So, listen to the board carefully. 2, 5. How to write 5? Standing line, left open curve. Top of the standing line, you have to draw a sleeping line, right? So that only we can get the number 5. So, how to write 1? You have already knew that, right? Slanting, standing, and then sleeping. So, 251, 251. Good. The next number is 252, 252. Okay. Let's write that number. 2, 5, 2. 252, right? Good. The next number is 253. Join together 253, right? Let's write the number 253, okay? Look at the board carefully and then write the numbers neatly, okay? 2, 5, 3, 253, okay? Good dears. So that the next number is 254, 254. How to read this number dears? Yes, 254, 254. Shall we write it dears? It's too easy to write, okay? So listen. 2, 5, 4, 254, 254, okay? What is the next number? What is the next number? You all right children? 255, 255 is the next number. Very good. How to write it? Listen. 2, 5, again 5. 255, 255, okay? So, the next number is, what number is this? Try to read this number dears. Try to read this number 256. Join together. How to pronounce it? Yes, you are correct. 256, 256. Very good. Try to write this number neatly. 2, 5, 6. 256, okay? So, what is the next number? What is the next number? Yes, you are right. 257, 257, okay? Shall we write it? Listen. 2, 5, 7. Sleeping, slanting. So, 257, 257. Good dears. The next number is 258, 258. What number is that? 258. 58. Let's write that number. 2, 5, 8. 258. Okay. What is the next number? What is the next number? Yes, 259. 259. Shall we write this number, children? 2, 5, 9. Circle and then standing line. 259, 259. I have already told you, right? Till the number 259, we should not change the tens place value and hundreds place value, right? So, 259 over. So, what about the next number? What are the changes we have to do in the next number? See, we have to change the tens place value as well as the ones place value here, okay? Following to 5, 6 is there, right? So, 260, 260. Let's write the number 260. 2, 6, 0. 260, 260. Very good, children. You all wrote the numbers very neatly, right? So far we have learned the numbers 251 to 260, right? Shall we recall once? Yes, I am going to read these numbers. You have to repeat after me, okay? 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259. What is the final number in the series? Yes, 260, 260. Right, children? So, children, you have to practice these numbers at your home properly, okay? Meet you in the next class. Bye-bye. Thank you.